In this tutorial, I'll implement Lambert Diffuse Shading in UnrealEngine. Since modifying shaders or engine source code is usually not preferred, I'll make a custom lighting model based on unlit shading model in the material editor. Let's start by creating a new material. We will name it Mobile Skin. Double-click the material to open it in the material editor. Now, select the material node inside the editor. In the Details panel, change the shading model to Unlit. By setting it to Unlit, we bypass Unreal's default PBR lighting system, giving us full control to implement custom lighting calculations. Since the base color pin becomes inactive, we will output the result of our custom lighting calculations to the pixel through the emissive color. Then, add a texture sample node to use the skin texture. This node will be used to bring in the base texture for the material. Now, we will add a cons3 vector node. This will temporarily act as our light direction vector. Later on, we will replace this constant value with a light direction parameter from Material Parameter Collection. Let's compute the dot product now. Use the pixel, normal WS node, and the light direction vector as inputs. The dot product gives us the light intensity per pixel. This determines how much light each surface point will receive. Next, add a saturate node. This will clamp the light intensity values between 0 and 1. Saturating ensures we remove any negative values that could cause unrealistic lighting artifacts. Now, multiply the sampled base texture color with the clamped light intensity value. Finally, connect the result to the emissive color pin of the material. You can experiment with changing the temporary light direction vector and preview the results in real time. After applying the created Mobile Skin material to the character, you can see that custom diffuse lighting has been applied. This step tints the base texture according to the custom lighting we calculated. It simulates how light affects the appearance of the surface. And that's it. You have now successfully created a simple, custom Lambert lighting material.